Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Virgos. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, guys. So first for your daily energy, Virgos, I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. And for your love energy and career situation, we will be picking cards from another deck. So, and also one card from the Rumi Oracle Guidance deck. And we will open these cards as we proceed. This is for our career situation, Virgos, and this is for our relationship, guys. So I'll keep this card here, and one card from the Rumi Oracle Guidance. So I'll keep this card aside. Let's start with the daily reading, guys. So for your daily energy, Virgos, it's 5 of stars and Ace of stars in reverse, 5 of stars in reverse, guys, and 8 of suns. With these cards, Virgos, in your situation today, there may be your circumstances are in such a way that you are burdened with responsibilities, guys. Too many commitments, responsibilities in your situation. These cards may relate to your personal life or your work situation, guys. So too many responsibilities may be burdening you, and you may be making some immature decisions in your work situation or your personal life. And also for some of you, you are out of control. You may be really emotional today. In certain situations, you may also feel that you are unable to control your anger. Maybe this may be in your personal life situation or your career situation. So some kind of troubling situation may be there in your work or in your relationship, guys. And also in your situation, this may relate to your personal life or your career. You may be facing obstacles or stress, maybe, and certain things are not going according to your expectation, and you may feel sad because of that. And you may feel that all your efforts, whatever efforts that you have put in, the results are not there, guys, for you. Some kind of stress or troubles are there in your situation, maybe in your work or in your personal life. But I also see a very positive energy with this card here, guys. So all these confusions and stressful situations that you have been facing, that may come to an end. You will be lucky today. Things may turn for the better, guys. That is what I see. Slowly things may change. How it was proceeding till now, you will have a change of direction in your situation. So something is coming which is positive today for you all. Some kind of rapid development. It may be in your work situation or in your personal life, and you may appreciate that change that is coming towards you today. Some kind of progress you may see, maybe some positive move towards some new projects or some business collaborations. Something good is also coming your way. That is what I see with this card here, guys. This is a very positive card, the 8 of Suns. So though you may have some stressful situations, some conflicts in your personal life or in your career situation, all that is coming to a pass, guys. All that is taking a new direction, and things are progressing towards a positive change in life. That is what I see with these cards, Virgos. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. it's Eight of Cups. So with this card, in your career situation, guys, maybe your focus is on something else. You want to take time, maybe for some of you, you want to branch out into a new kind of work. Maybe you are happy with whatever you have accomplished till now, and you are turning your focus on something new, some new path that you want to take up. Or it may be something like this also. You may want to take time, take a break from your work schedule, and you want a holiday. For some of you, it may also be the energy here, guys. So your focus is on something else, not on your work, whatever you are doing right now. That is what I see with this card here. Maybe you are turning to something spiritual. That may also be the energy here. So what is the card for your relationship, guys? Nine of Cups. A very positive card here, guys. So in your situation, you are satisfied, fulfilled, however things are going today for you. Have a sense of completion, happiness, and you feel things are just falling into place with this person, in this connection. You have that emotional contentment and fulfillment today, guys. That is what I see with this card. And you see that your future with this person, that has started to manifest, like right in front of you. You are seeing your goal within reach. Maybe if you are looking for marriage with this person, and you see that your life is progressing towards that, and you have this happiness and contentment today, guys. So that is what I see. So overall, the energy with these cards, guys, you may be having some stressful situation, but things are slowly changing and you are moving towards success in life, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards. So what is the card for your Rumi oracle guidance? So this is a general guidance. This may or may not relate to our personal situation, but it is a guidance. So if we follow this guidance, it will make things go in a better way for us, guys. So let us see what is the card. The Cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, the energy for y'all is that the guidance, there is a place or a thing or a belief or a person who has been like a iron ball or a leg iron, preventing you from moving forward. Something that is holding you back. So it is time you shed that negative energy that you're having, guys. Maybe if it is a person, or if it is a place, or if it is a thing or belief, whatever is preventing you from moving forward. So you have to have that strength and conviction and determination in your heart to move forward. So whatever is unfolding in your life today is all for the good, and whatever is destined to come towards you will always be there for you, guys. So we can let go of fear and let go of the scraps that we have been holding on, and feast is waiting for us. So that is what this card, this oracle guidance is about, guys. So there is a huge feast or a great abundance or success, something is waiting for us. So we need to let go of these small things, small negative things, obstacles, or whatever it is that is pulling us down. So that is what this card is about, Virgos, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.